Hi guys, it's Ruby and today I'm going to be making slime. So let's get on with it. This is what you'll need. A mixing bowl, something to mix your slime with, some PVA glue, some baking powder, baking soda, whatever you want to call it, some contact lens solution. Make sure it's got borax or boric acid in, otherwise it won't work. Some paint, you can have it plain white if you want, and some shim foam if you want to make it fluffy slime. I'm not going to make fluffy slime, but you can if you want. These are some of the slimes I've made today. So this is a pink one. It's not that stretchy anymore because I've been playing with it for a while. A lovely blue one. This one is amazing, and the white one is definitely the best. So hopefully your slime will turn out like mine. So let's get on. First you want to add some glue. Oh, it's quite hard. I could just take the lid off, but it'll come out quite fast. So I just want to squeeze it. There. So that's how much I'm going to add. Now I'm going to add baking powder or baking soda. It's a bit dirty because I've used it. I've still got loads left. Okay, so I'm going to use this one and mix, and this one I put the baking powder in. You just want to add about, you don't want a really big scoop because you can just add some more if it's like not working. I can't get any there. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that in. And it's already coming together, which is really good, so I don't think I'll need to add any more baking powder. Oh my god. I'm gonna speed this up, so yeah. So now that I've mixed it all up, you want to add your paint or food colouring, whatever you want to add. You can add paint or food colouring, but paint is better, I think. So I'm going to add a little bit of blue and a little bit of pink. I'm probably going to be making like slime all night and not go to sleep. I think that was a bit too much, so I'm going to add a bit more blue because I added too much pink. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I'm going to mix it now. So let's speed this up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to add my contact lens solution. So let's go. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little drop. I've got glue and slime all over this. So yeah, there's some slime. I'm going to add a few drops and mix it. And if I need any more, I'll add some more. But I might need a bit more because this is already coming together, like off the side, but it's like really sticky. So yeah, because I added quite a bit of borax. I mean, baking powder. I'm gonna add two drops because it's already kind of good. I love making slime, guys. I was gonna make some last night, but we got the wrong contact lens solution, and if it's borax or borax acid in, then it won't work, which we found out last night. Just add the tiniest amount, just about. That much, guys. If I need any more, I'll add some more. I'm gonna speed this part up. Hey guys, so as you saw, I just added some more like baking powder, soda, and some more contact lens solution, just to get it to come together, you know. Like I said before, if I need any more, I will add it. This is really fun. Like, look at my white slime, guys. It's honestly the best. Like, oh my god. I really hope this method works that I'm showing you guys. I don't really know how much like baking powder you need to add or contact lens solution. I just add some, like a small amount to start, and then see if I need to add. I think I might need to add some contact lens solution because it's coming together, but it's like, it's really sticky. So this is what I mean. As you guys can see, like it's coming off the bowl, but like it's still really sticky. So I'm gonna add some contact lens solution. One more drop. That, it looks so different on camera. I like the colour of it. I went to the town to buy these like products to make slime, like the glue and the paint and the contact lens solution. So you can get them from there, and you can get them from different places as well. But I don't know. Yeah. Make sure if you're gonna make slime, make sure it's definitely borax or boric acid. Otherwise it will not work. People say baking powder. I've heard one person say it before, like baking powder doesn't work, but baking powder and baking soda are the exact same. So like, yeah. This is starting to come together now. I'm gonna add some more contact lens solution. This is not my first time making slime, as you can tell. But because I made some on Friday night, and that worked so well because we made it at a club. So yeah, and this is what made us like want to get into making it. And I asked like my dad if I could get some like things to make slime, and I thought he was gonna say no, but he actually said yes. I'm gonna start playing with it. It's still like really runny and gloopy. I'm just gonna keep mixing it, and I'm gonna speed it up. Guys, this is working so well because I think I added too much baking soda and it was like really lumpy. So yeah, I'm just playing with this. When I'm talking. It was like really lumpy. It was just falling apart, so I added some glue and it's came back together. So look. So it's working. I'm gonna tie my hair up because my hair is getting in the slime. This is so fun. And like yesterday I put on my story, on my Snapchat story, like, yep, okay. There's a hair in it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I don't know why I'm saying ew, it's my own. But still. Like yesterday I put on my Snapchat story slime time and I took a picture of all the products and like I got 2 messages saying, can you make me some slime and I'll give you something. Like some money or something. I don't know. They're both my friends. So yeah. This is still really, really sticky. So I'm going to add some more contact lens solution. So I'm gonna speed it up. Guys, it's worked so well again. I'm getting quite good at this now. And I'm just so excited. I've got, let's see how many. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I've got one upstairs. I'm definitely going to ask some more, like, for some glue and more contact lens solution for my birthday to make some slime because I've got the hang of it now. So yeah, I'm just getting every last bit of it out of the bowl. And this is my slime, guys. It doesn't make, like, a poking sound yet. Oh, it's kind of is. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next. Bye!